Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Lucy, and she's coming today for a redesign. She's done all the prep on her natural nails, applied the clear layer at the growth, and now we're going in with design. So this baby finger is going to be an ombre. So here I'm using Heatwave from CJP. The first time I've ever used it, I really thought it'd be similar to Smashed Peach, but it's actually not. Smashed Peach is shimmery and this isn't. Yeah, I love it. I really do like it. So I'll probably be using this quite often from now on. So yeah, an ombre. So now I'm going in with a birthday suit and just going to apply that beautiful. I'm struggling to talk already. It is early in the morning, so so apply that bead at the cuticle area and blend that down the nail. And then I always like to come in with the colour from the tip and then just blend that again upwards, just to make it stand out a little bit more. So I forgot to mention what brush I'm using. It's the big boy brush from CJP. So this one's going to be like a free colour ombre. No, I'm not going to say ombre. Well, kind of. I tried to do it in an ombre, but these colours were so pigmented they were just impossible to ombre. So the tip, so I wasn't bothered anyway because I wanted it to be like a background colour. So, you know, I wasn't too fussed if I didn't get the ombre right. As you can see, Lucy's a bit of a fidget bum. Always has been. So the tip was banana. This was Heatwave. And then at the cuticle area, it's Magenta. This is a new Magenta that I've got. And it is so bright. Like my other one was never like this. And it marbled slightly, but it sorted itself out. But it was so bright to my normal magenta, but don't get me wrong, I was loving it. Even Lucy was like, wow, that is bright. I don't remember my previous magenta being this bright, but nevertheless I absolutely love it. So the yellow and the orange were just awful, so I just tried to sort that out, but again, not too fast, because then I'm going to come in with some glitter, and I think it's called Angel Wings from the Unicorn's Den. I'll put everything in the description box, but I just pick up a bead of acrylic and dip into that raw glitter, and then we'll just cover the whole nail with that, and then it just smooths everything out. And then those colours are literally just background colours, like a cute little rainbow. So the middle finger is just going to be a full nail of magenta. So look, as you can see there, it marbles a little bit. My previous one never did that. But as soon as you drag it down, it sorts itself out. So I'm not complaining or anything. But I do love how bright it is. Love it. So yeah, just a full nail of magenta. So the pointer finger is going to be a glitter fade. So I am using Birthday Suit at the cuticle area, just drag that down just to cover the colour of her natural nail. And then I just want a colour on the base just to make the glitter pop a little bit. So just one side I went down with Heatwave and the other side with Banana. Yeah, just wanted a little base of that. And then I'm going to come straight in with my glitters. One is from, the orange is from Phoenix Glitters. Can't remember what it's called, I'm sorry. But if, like I said, everything will be in the description box. It's kind of got like a hint of pink to it. Got a few tones to it, which I like. And then the yellow is from Sonia Williams, and again I'll leave everything in the description box because I am awful at remembering. I know pretty much every CJP colour, but anything else my brain just can't cope. So I wanted to do like a two-tone, like one side orange, one side yellow. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing there, just blending it and patting it all into place. So this is going to be a full nail of Heatwave, and then at the tip I'm just going to add a little bit of glitter that was from Glitter Planet. Yeah, again I can't remember what it's called. It was like an orangey fine glitter, literally the same colour to this, to be fair. So yeah, sorry about that. I'll leave everything in the description box for you to see, so make sure you check that out. People still ask me what some stuff are when I'm like, it's in the description box. Just read the description box and you'll find all the details there. I'll make sure I leave them all in. So yeah, just but it's so similar to Heatwave. So I'm just going to put that at the tip and then blend it backwards. So now I'm going to cap all the nails in crystal glass. I have sped this part up quite a lot because I didn't want you to get bored. Well, not that, I just didn't want me to have a really mega long video. And you've seen me do this a million times. So yeah, just going to cap all the nails. So then I'm coming in with my hand file and I'll just perfect the shape. Just get it nice and pointy and crisp again. Love doing this part. And then I come in with my E-file and I'll whiz over the surface and, you know, debulk any places that need debulking, mostly the tip and the cuticle area. Make it all nice and flush. And then we are ready for top coat, so I'll just let you watch this part. Again, I've fast forwarded it, I've sped it up because you've seen me do this also a million times. So I obviously buffed them, and now we're going in with top coat. So I'm using my CJP Tack Free Top Gloss. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I apply cuticle oil in banana, and that is the set complete. So I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.